When time slows, real skill appears. Every movement, every breath tells the truth. At Maxfort, we study that truth. On the court, every dribble and every liftoff in slow motion shows what matters most. Footwork, alignment, control. At Maxfort, technique isn't rushed. It's engineered.
Basketball teaches focus and leadership on and off the court.
In tennis, slow motion reveals the science behind the swing. The grip, the stance, the follow-through, all refined through customized training and real performance tracking.
Every serve, every swing, backed by customized training and diet plans.
In Taekwondo, slow motion reveals discipline. The stance, the strike, the accuracy, so that power returns with purpose.
Courage, discipline, respect. Taekwondo transforms fear into strength.
On skates, slow motion turns every glide into a lesson. Balance, control, body awareness.
Speed with control, grace with grit. That's what makes champions roll.
In yoga, Maxfort teaches alignment, clarity, and the kind of calm that strengthens from the inside out.
Yoga builds more than flexibility. It builds balance of body, mind, and spirit.
In the gym, every guided movement prioritizes safety first.
Strength without safety is nothing. Injury prevention and fitness tracking keep our athletes unstoppable.